In this video, we'll show you how to complete the installation of a LugGuard 700 series lock without a display. The information and instruction in this video are for use with LugGuard 700 series models 701 and 702. It does not include instruction for LugGuard 700 series models 702D through 705 or 700 Basic. This three-step sequence completes the lock installation. First, it creates a 0-1 manager user with a default combination. Then it sets the master combination and finally pairs the keypad to the lock. To create the 0-1 manager user with the default combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, press the green return button. Then pound 50. Finish by pressing the green return button. Next, you'll set the master combination. Press the green return button. Then pound 52, followed by 0, 0, and the default combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now enter 0, 0 and a master combination of your choice. We'll use 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. To confirm, enter 0, 0 and the new master combination one more time. Press the green return button to finish. To pair the keypad to the lock, press the green return button. Then pound 22, followed by 0, 0, and the master combination you just created. Press the green return button to finish. Your keypad is now paired to the lock with a new master combination and a 0-1 manager user with the default combination. This completes the operation to complete the installation of a LugGuard 700 series lock without a display. For customer service, contact dormakaba.